Welcome to Sa Podcast! We back.
We are, well, we've been uploading regularly.
Yeah. So,
We're back.
I've, ang dami kong na-list na stuff.
Okay.
Number 1. This is a request to the world.
Mm-hmm.
Pwede bang itigil na ang Microsoft Teams? Like, I want to go to Bill Gates' house and say parang, alam ko wala ka nang kinalaman dun.
Wala na ba?
I guess. Go, pero, seryoso ka?
Pero maraming gumagamit nun
Hindi.
Mga companies.
I know. That's why. I
wonder why.
I want to tell nga the companies like parang, okay na guys, okay na.
What do you mean?
Like, okay na.
Like, what do you put
Hindi nyo kailangan gamitin to. Bakit?
I wonder.
May ano yun may mga...
So ano siya, it's the same as Google Workspace.
It's the same as Zoom, as Google Workspace. But I'm pretty sure, kasi when I worked for a multinational, they're so strict about kaya kailangan may Outlook and all these things.
Privacy stuff.
Pero parang, guys, pwede ba? Like, if below a certain pay grade or a certain position, like kung ako, no one's gonna hack me. When I was working there, like as a brand dude, like no one's gonna hack my computer and then change the course of the company. And.
That's what you think, though.
Pero to all the Unilever, the P&Gs, all these guys. Parang, okay lang yan.
Let's have somebody like correct us.
What do you mean?
Tell us why. Tell
sige.
us why. Go to bit.ly/podkidsafterparty and why in the world.
Or share this podcast and tag us and explain bakit. I'm sure may technical thing yun. Pero let's just say, for the sake of this conversation, let's say that...
Wait lang, sorry. For those, let's pretend they don't know what Microsoft Teams is. How is it affecting you? Is it solely because of the meetings?
Okay.
Like the voice
so to everyone
and the
who
video
doesn't know,
calls?
okay. Sometimes, kasi yun nga, in our work, we have to work with brands, right? And so like yung mga companies that are these big conglomerate brands, they require their employees to, bawal ang employees nila to use Zoom, Google Meets, Google Meet,
Google Meets.
I guess, whatever. Bawal yun. They are required to use this super outdated software. Kasi everything that Microsoft does, di ba, is like, paano kaya natin papahirapan to mga to? Parang paano natin gawing hassle yung buhay nila?
I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. For me, I think it might be parang it's not aesthetically pleasing, but I feel like it's classic and it's safe.
Ito yung gusto ko sabihin.
Pero I will never forgive you for having a Yahoo email address. Not you, but like
You
anybody.
never had a Yahoo?
I have, but like people still have a Yahoo.
Yun nga. Yun, that's another request siguro. Parang guys, siguro naman.
I'm not affected in any way, pero just for me,
Again, if again, guys, if tinamaan kayo na to and you currently have a Yahoo account, okay lang yan. I was there. Okay, I was late.
I was there. I remember it all too well.
It's okay. Ako rin, I was late to the game. Pero please, enough. Parang parang yung mga guys sa Yahoo, they're probably thinking like, please,
Tama na.
delete nyo na.
Gusto na namin delete.
Gusto namin lumipat. yung mga nag-aano
Di na kaya ng servers namin. Binabayaan namin yung servers na sa mga gagong to. Alam mo yung hassle sa akin? So, here's my a quick backgrounder for anybody that asked.
Which is none.
Nobody. So my first email address was at Lycos. I don't know where that company is now, and I don't know why. My email address was Sabidoo.
Cute.
With the help of my mom. Sabidoo, I think, _8 at lycos.com.
Cute.
And then, after Lycos, it became Yahoo. Yung pinaka-hassle sa akin, lahat ng taong kilala ko, yahoo.com. Wala pang Gmail nun eh. Sobrang labo. When I signed up for my email address, it was yahoo.com.ph. Parang,
Binili.
hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. I think they asked me where I live, whatever, and then naging .com.ph. So, yun yung email address ko. Tapos, hindi ko na pwede gamitin yung, kumari, nalaman ko na, what kung mag-send sila to sabanglaw@yahoo.com, hindi ko makukuha. Kailangan may .ph. And then I tried to switch it to a .com, hindi pwede. Isn't that a hassle?
I think sa dami-dami ng mga naging hassle ngayon sa tech, I think that's pretty, during that time siguro, yes.
I mean, don't invalidate my feelings, Jim.
I do wanna invalidate Microsoft Teams. kasi nga, parang gusto ko puntahan talaga si Bill Gates. Tapos sabihin ko, seryoso ka?
So you used Outlook?
Because I was required.
Okay.
In fairness.
Nung bata ko, it was pretty cool.
Hindi. Ito to. If when you're working, may mag-send lang sa'yo ng 10 MB na video or something, buong mundo mo titigil.
Why? You can't open it?
Hindi. Lahat ng emails magbabounce.
Ganun.
Gago talaga tong Microsoft. At kasi parang, and siguro tong for companies, they're paying the cheap enterprise package. Most likely. Siguro like someone who's in the basic or starting mga newcomers, konti lang yung capacity ng email nila. So ang point ko is, guys, if gusto niyo naman pala na kailangan Outlook yung email, sana naman bigyan niyo ng storage. Parang ang layo na natin sa mundo na 10 MB. Parang 10, di ba? It's like saying, guys, I'm gonna give you guys 100 pesos for a week. Ganun eh.
Kaya naman yun na joke.
So, yun yung energy ng Tapos anyway, itong Teams. Again, I would like to clarify. If any of the people that I met in the past 2 weeks.
People who may have worked with you, parang, ayaw pala niya yung meeting namin. Sige. Bakit hindi ka na ma-invite sa meeting? Sige, gusto mo yan?
Ito. I want to clarify na I know, guys. I know for sure naman na
they feel the same way.
Na they're like, guys, kailangan Microsoft Microsoft Teams. Parang gusto ko talaga punta si Bill Gates. Sabihin ko like, seryoso ka? Like,
wait, how is it different? Like, if you go on any other, how is it a hassle for you as an outsider?
As someone who has no Microsoft Teams, kaya siya hassle. Kasi you have to, you're on mobile. Okay, ganito siya. You download the app. Oh, you cannot join.
Wait, you don't have to download the app.
Basta, it's as usual, Microsoft. Like, kasi Microsoft, this is the social equivalent of Microsoft. Na if you say, hey, saan yung show my stand? Apple will say,
there you go.
Just walk 5 steps. Tas yun na. Microsoft will say, show my stand? Aling show my stand? Yung fried o steam?
Well, that's thorough.
Kung fried dun, pero pagdating mo dun kailangan mo gumawa ng ganong special request.
I like the choice. I like the options.
Hindi. Not when you're carrying a raging 4-year-old in this heat.
I feel like this is like
And I was trying to enter the meeting late for the meeting. Tapos ako parang, tapos yung mga pop-up ng Microsoft you can't do this, you have to do this. So ako parang,
to be fair, I think it's not Microsoft Teams per se that sucks. It was just that moment. Tapos bumagsak pa yung internet natin.
Tapos nangyari nga ulit. Ito yung wild, okay? Yung meeting ID function niya. Please, taas kamay yung mga nabiktima na nito.
Okay,
please tag me and please defend me. If you're inputting the meeting ID, of course, it's not like, do you think Microsoft is casual and say like, fun, yun yung meeting ID, and then the number is 1, 2, 3, hindi, di ba? There, it's like 5's JJJ, big X, small X. Meeting ID, tapos yung passcode na yun rin like parang 6611554 whatever,
small F,
mahaba,
capital U.
If you are imagine on your phone, right, you're navigating between 2 screens, right? You have to do the drag and
yes,
like, so this was happening. Nandito ako si Vito, nagwawala, ayaw hindi magpakarga. I was burning in the sun. Tapos inaano ko yung phone ko na switching. Ang tindi nitong Teams na pag nag-switch ka, mag-i-erase yung buong thing.
Ganun sila secretive.
Ganun ka, parang, Tangin na, relax.
Parang,
Hindi kayo, ano kayo, si James Bond?
James Bond.
Tangina.
Ano to, Ocean's 11? Ano to, Louvre?
Ano to, Dune?
Ano ka? Tinatry na ako ni Jafar? Ay, hindi pala Jafar. Jafar. Ay,
Jafar?
sorry. Sino yung kalaban sa Aladdin?
Jafar?
Jafar, yeah.
Bakit Jafar?
Si Jafar is the one who wanted Aladdin to steal the thing. Sorry, that was too much.
That was too far.
Jafar.
That was Jafar. Okay. So, my last thing. Hindi mo na napapatapos eh.
Sorry, okay.
I wanted to ask nga Bill Gates. Siguro habang nagsiswimming siya sa infinity pool niya. Or
Microsoft pool.
Siguro parang nagsiswimming siya sa pool niya o kakabili niya kariman or something.
What's that?
Yung breaded thing ng mini-stop.
Hindi ko alam.
Kasi diba, siguro may franchise siya ng mini-stop.
Hindi na siya mini-stop ngayon.
Uncle Jan.
Jan!
Kasi States.
Okay.
I'm kidding. So anyway. So, I would like to ask him, like, ikaw Bill, you mean to tell me, kung meron kang family reunion or like kailangan mo lang like, hey guys, may kailangan mong pakita. You will require people na Microsoft Teams. So, kuwari, actually mahirap kasi powerful na si Bill Gates. Kuwari, let's say, VP of Microsoft wants to meet with Elon Musk.
Yuck.
Whatever, to ask for funding, or Jeff Bezos. Hey guys, I really magpipitch ako ng benta. Do you think yung people at Microsoft, guys, send nyo na yung link ng Teams kay Bezos. I know we're trying to ask for like 10 billion, pero send nyo yung link ng Teams. Hindi tayo mag-meet kung hindi Teams, ha?
I really doubt that these people accept not in-person meetings.
Hindi, pero ito nga yung hindi ko maintindihan. For example, like a company that pays so much money for Teams, right? Like, really? Parang in this world of hacking, sa tingin mo yung hackers, parang sino kayang, parang sinong food and beverage company kaya pwede natin tirahin today?
Yeah, I think so.
Why?
I think so.
Why would they wanna hack
because
the email?
Because they've got money.
Pero why? Ganun ba? Tingin mo ganun yung PNG? Like, hey guys, the password for all the money of Nestle is,
malay mo.
Power.
Hindi, baka may mga...
Ice cream 69.
Ano
ganun.
kaya yung mga tinatago nila sa emails nila? Mga mga...
Uwi na you.
Hindi, mga parang... baka nang babash sila ng mga...
Or mga guys, ito na yung bomb to destroy the world. Ganun ba?
Or parang, wag mo kunan yung influencer na yan, yatot, mga ganun. Mga they're like bashing people and they wanna hide it.
But why would hackers nga do that?
No, I mean, why would they?
Parang anong pake ng hackers? Ang hackers are
for
probably...
blackmail?
The hackers...
Hey, tinawag mo siyang yatot, lalabas ko to.
Like a hacker. Why would he hack the vice president of, let's say, Robina?
I don't know.
Or like Robinson's Land. Oh, guys, i-hack na natin si Robinson's Land president.
Honestly, alam mo, literally every week, I get an email from Microsoft na someone's trying to sign in. And I'm thinking, I don't know if I have a Microsoft account.
Okay. Natatakot ako bigla.
Oo nga
Pinapakinggan ng algorithm.
Oo nga eh.
Anyway,
pero sobrang tight ng security ng Microsoft kasi nga Bill Gates. Ay, paes men.
Sa tingin mo si Bill Gates, Tingin mo si Bill Gates pag pumunta siya sa A6, kunwari. Like, tinitingnan pa niya kung
A6 the shoes store?
Kung naka-sale to, mas bibili niya yung naka-sale. Tingin mo?
Oo.
Tingin mo nag-google pa siya ng
hindi siya
best
nag-google.
running shoes. Ay, Microsoft, ano ba tawag doon?
Bing? Bakit?
So do you think like
Bing ko lang
do you think Bill Gates is like, grabe mahal ng shorts nito sa Nike, pang running. punta kaya ako Lazada. Ganun? Ano yung parang,
Ay, alam mo, hindi ako magtataka. Kasi, the wealthy people are, not wealthy, like, the very rich folk are very,
kuripot?
creeps.
Okay. Next.
Kaya sila mayaman.
Okay. Next.
I'm a creeps.
Ganda. Okay, I thought about this in the mall.
Okay.
I think I do a lot of thinking in the mall.
While you're running in the mall.
Yes. Number one, I wish payagan na talaga yung running in the mall. Here, what are
Para
things?
aircon, ano?
What are things na unforgivable? I wanna list down some unforgivable stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can start with the mababaw stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So for example, like I one thing I noted down. Is it unforgivable? Parang when sorry. Let me fix
Uh-oh.
it. Uh-oh. Oh, hey, Benny.
Oh, give it to me.
Okay, sorry, that was Vito. Okay, unforgivable stuff. What I mean to say is, there are things na antagal lang deemed as law.
Mm-hmm.
Na if someone still does it, na parang the amount of awareness ay sobrang kumalat na, then it should be an unforgivable thing, right? It should be, you're clearly breaking a rule by doing this. It's a rule. It's an established rule. Okay, number one. If in an escalator, nakatayo pa rin yung tao dun sa walk lane, that's unforgivable na, right?
Like, I don't think you can be thrown in jail for it, but
No, the point of it is sobrang lantaran na you're just obviously not following the rules. You don't want to adapt to social norms. Correct?
I think so.
Pahig ka doon? Pasok
yeah.
yun? Yung escalator?
I think so.
Devil's advocate, hindi ba posibleng parang nakalimutan mo lang?
Minsan.
Medyo
oo.
na-engots ka lang. Tapos,
Minsan.
nangyari na rin sa
Lalo na kapag hindi marami yung tao sa mall.
Nangyari na sa akin.
Nangyari na rin sa akin yun.
Okay, sige. Number 2. Ito, I think this one for me is in the list. Yung hindi pagsoli ng charger at power bank.
Nang humiram? That has never happened to you?
I'm always so anxious whenever someone borrows it. Like, ako, I treat it like a burning thing. Na parang, kailangan ko lang talaga, pero promise, pag tapos na to, please take it. Ikaw, you are a thief.
No.
You're a mega thief.
Well, I've never had to borrow from anybody except
Hello, Mom.
from you and my mom.
Si Candy kasi, di ba, like, she has a treasure trove of her power banks and chargers.
No, of course not.
Hindi ba?
No.
Sino yung ganun? Di ba, si Candy na yung ganun nating friend.
What, like she brings it home?
No, I mean like, hey, pa-charge. Pa-charge ako.
Oh.
And then, ay,
Hindi na soli?
hindi na solid.
Ay, hindi. That's never happened.
That has happened.
I don't remember.
Kaya si Sab always like,
I always have a power bank.
she always has a power bank and says, oh, here, I have a power bank. Tapos ako like, oh no.
Ikaw lang kasi may problema.
Mawawala yan.
Sinusoli naman sa akin eh.
Pero hindi mo makukuha by the end of the night.
I don't remember. Maybe I don't remember because I've lost all of those power banks.
Exactly.
That's true. Alam mo yung act for me, yung unforgivable. Na asar talaga ako. Yung pag may stoplight, tapos, we're talking about traffic rules. Tas titigil sa pedestrian lane.
Ah, yeah.
Sobrang asar talaga ako.
Yeah.
Asar ako. Tapos nakakainis pa yung pag ako lang yung titigil before the pedestrian lane and then other cars don't. Tapos bubusinahan pa ako.
Ah, yeah. Yeah.
Grabe. It's happened to me. Sobrang movie moment ko yung hindi nag-stop sa pedestrian lane. So
Ikaw?
parang no, may hindi nag-stop sa before the pedestrian lane. So he was on the pedestrian lane. This was in BGC. I was crossing, hindi siya nag-stop. Tapos ako, I went like, yung tumingin ka sa
Do you have the kids?
I didn't. But I went like, parang, eto na jogging tayo nito. I think you were in front of me. But I looked at the driver, pointed at him, and then by my whole hand, pointed at him, pointed at the pedestrian lane
good
and then looked at him lang. And then like just kept walking. But
tas-
my gosh, I could have just honestly, it's never worth it because wala lang, parang there's a fear in me na parang sira ulo.
Ako ganun, ako naman lately ganun.
Like
Parang,
I don't. That's the first time, and I don't want to do it again.
ako prior to being a parent, I would always have to, like,
Kita mo yun, di ba?
diba? But, yun nga parang I think lately, I've been like, I do the initial, and then like, okay, baka may baril to.
Yun nga
Alis na ako.
eh.
Baka may baril. Alis.
Yeah. Crazy world.
In fairness to the Philippines pala, sobrang higpit ng gun laws dito.
What?
Yeah. Like the permit to carry is very strict.
Yeah, but is it followed?
I would think so. That's why hindi tayo parang states.
I don't think so.
Anyway, another thing. I think ito I can't believe. So the reason why by the way, if you want, you can go to Linya Linya and get these shirts. Pero we did those reunion shirts, right? Yung tita, kayo rin po ay parang ano yun? Hindi, wala po akong balak mag-asawa. So I guess I want to ask, isn't that an unforgivable thing na parang like everyone knows that na? So when they do say that, I know the defense prior to this was, ganun naman ang generation namin eh. Ganun ang bati namin eh. Ganun naman kami lumaki. Some say nga na, saying na tumaba ka is a compliment, right?
Huh?
Yeah. I mean, sa generation, sa let's say the older generation, it was like, hala, ang payat mo na iho. Ganun eh.
Yeah.
Takot sila pag
Mas
payat
gusto
ka.
ko sa'yo nung may laman ka.
Ganon.
Kainis.
So, pero yun nga, hindi ba with the amount of awareness,
Okay.
isn't that ano na?
I don't think the memes are reaching them.
Maybe. The echo chamber na naman.
Parang it's all like, pass this to 5 friends. Mga ganun. On Viber.
Okay. Kung hindi, kakainin ka ng demonyo.
Kunin ka nung nung
Loch Ness.
bayawak sa Robinsons.
Kunin ka ng Loch Ness. Loko ka pala eh. Loch Ness.
Labo.
Okay. Another thing. What's a better way to category? Tama ba yung unforgivable? Yeah, no?
I think so, yeah.
Parang it's a
Tama na, sobra na.
Tama na, sobra na.
Diba?
Okay.
We should make a thread for this.
How about ATM? Withdrawals? Wala eh. Walang choice naman yung tao eh. Diba?
I haven't had to withdraw in a long time.
Yeah.
Go cashless.
Yes, go cashless.
Thank you, Lord.
But yung sa pag-withdraw nga, parang that was something that in the pod, that was one of our early topics, diba?
Yung matagal.
Bakit
Alam mo,
matagal?
honestly, ako okay lang sa akin. Hindi na ako, parang for me, bakit ba tayo nakagalit sa tao? We're not all the same. Some of us process things quickly, and some don't. And parang, why are we blaming the human beings and not the freaking 5 machines that are not working?
Oo nga.
Diba?
Oo nga.
Parang, why?
Good point.
Parang
And
everybody's
parang kayo,
impatient.
kayo mga bangko, ang dami-dami yung pera, literally. Tapos titipirin nyo pa yung ATM? Nasira yung isa. Diba? Tapos dumi-dumi ng mga pindutan.
Out of service. Lang, kakainis.
Kakainis. Okay.
Kahit yung cashless banking, minsan biglang out of service.
Yeah. Anyway.
Anyway.
Here, let me check my...
You wanna save those for next week?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Siguro one last thing.
Okay.
Inappropriate music in restaurants. Because the other day, we were eating in Pancake House with me and Vito, and we're having a date.
Oh, I have the same thing for today. But go ahead.
Okay. Pancake House in Siang
Uh-huh.
has the best music.
Oh, really?
As in, like, solid, like, sorry, I don't mean, I know it's a touchy thing, but like Michael Jackson, Temptations. So, yung ganda na vibes, fit for the vibes. Okay? As opposed to, parang kanina sa...
So, you had the same thinking?
in CPK,
Yeah.
it was Lose my mind up in here.
Si Pancho was covering his ears when it was with nothing but your t-shirt on. I'ma sit down in this lingerie, curl up in a ball in something Hanes.
Labo.
And the next song, so that's called Nothing But Your T-Shirt On by I don't know who. I think is it Leona Lewis or something. The next song was Stan by Eminem. As in with the whole like the ending.
Killed.
I got your girlfriend and my girlfriend at the trunk. My God! And I was just like talking over it, hoping the kids aren't hearing it.
Ang labo. Pero
Like you could have just played Dido, guys.
ano yung ano, there was this place diba na parang like fine dining. Tas parang yung togs nila mga Boyce Avenue. Ako here, if tomorrow this podcast ends, okay?
Sad.
The one thing that I hope, aside from a serious answer, is sana tumigil na yung Boyce Avenue.
Ano ba yung Boyce Avenue? Like what?
Boyce Avenue is like a
Cover?
They like this dude na was made millions.
Are they local?
No.
Ah.
They're like nandito ang Boyce Avenue sa some SM mall. Parang gano'n. You know, and then puno. But they made a killing out of, and on YouTube pa.
Oh.
On like freaking covers. Music of other people.
Pwede ba yun? Di na pwede yun, diba?
Siguro they got a label or whatever. I don't know.
Bakit they paid for the rights naman to cover the song?
Pero
Why?
parang it's like you're saying na I'm gonna be I'm an artist now. Okay, I'm a painter. Magkaka-gallery ako. Lahat ng painting dito,
Monet.
or kinopya ko kay
Da Vinci.
Okay? Lahat to, galing kay, Bussy, Stussy, Stussy,
We can't name,
Banksy.
Banksy.
Bakari ganyan.
Stussy.
Lahat to ganun. Binayaran ko sila ha. Pero pwede niyong bilhin to.
Yun naman pala eh. Problema dun. Kung yun naman nila yung rates.
Ang point ko, sabihin ko, artist ka? Ano sinasabing artist ka?
Well,
Negosyante ka siguro.
Andy Warhol did it.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
No, he didn't.
Campbell Soup.
That's a totally different thing. He didn't get a piece of art.
Reprinted it.
He got the mundane and made it into art. That's different.
I don't know. Kainis. I'm trying to piss you off. Yeah, I get your point.
Yeah. So, Boyce Avenue, uwi na kayo, please. You are completely unforgivable.
Let me guess, are they white?
They're super white.
Get me out of here.
Bye.